If you've been wanting to grow loads of microgreens and you want to make it really easy by using these adapters, let me show you what we've been doing on Whatnot. It's live auction. It's pretty cool. We have like these little boxes that we put some of the adapters in. We auction those off. But the really cool thing is we get a big box like this. Besides the adapters, we've been throwing in hydrogen, some nutrients. This one's enough to make 100 gallons. And our adapters. We can throw the same thing in, or we can make a variety. All the different ones that we have. We can put a few in. And people just tell me what they want in there. They want the refillable, put that in, and then we toss them in free seeds. We started off with tatsoi, speckled pea, basil, and pak choi. We're out of the basil and pak choi right now, but we go ahead and just start loading them up. And then when people start bidding, we start putting more in, and more. And every time the bid goes up, you get more seeds, and more seeds, and more. And these are portioned out so that you can make one perfect portion like that. So it takes all of the guesswork out. One portion will make you a set of microgreens just like that. And the speckled peas will get you like that. These are going to get about that tall. They're on the way. Pretty cool. Then we throw in a little cleaning brush and my card with QR code that has instructions on how to use all of this. Once somebody wins that bid, then we start all over again. Now throughout the night we have giveaways. The last few shows we're having giveaways every 10 minutes. And what we usually do is get your choice of adapter. If you win, you just tell me which one you want. You get the brush, the card, and I'll even throw in a pack of seeds. Maybe a few. So every 10 minutes somebody wins an adapter and I pick up the shipping on that. Now added bonus is the shipping with this flat rate priority USPS. They only charge you $9.21. Now if you want to ship at the post office yourself, this box will cost you $22, so you're already saving $12 on that. And if we decide to fill up the Mac Daddy box, this is still $9.21. At the post office, this is about 30 bucks, so you're saving over $20 just on shipping. What's cool is you're going to get a variety of seeds so that you're not having to go and buy yourself $20 worth of that, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, which adds up really fast. You get yourself a good variety to start out with. Now another very cool thing about Whatnot, if you've never been on there before and you create an account, you're going to get a $15 credit. If you click on my page and follow me, I've got a set of these adapters in there that I put for $15. You can use it on that, so you're basically going to get yourself a set of adapters for free. All you're going to have to pay is taxes and shipping, which in the United States I think is anywhere from $4 to $7 depending on where you live, how far you are from Florida. So whether you're looking for a great starter package to get your microgreen journey going, or you just want a couple of adapters, head on over to Whatnot. My link's down in the description or in my profile. I'll even put it in the comments. So grow your loads of microgreens, and my next show is coming up this Saturday. Hope to see you there. Don't forget to use the credit so you can get a free set of adapters. Live to inspire, keep on growing, and be the change. We'll catch you next time.